What's up, YouTube? Welcome to a video where I'm going to take this network cable that I have. It's actually two network cables, and I'm going to cut the ends off and extend it into one long network cable so that it can reach where I want to get the network cable. So this is a bit of an experiment. It's like a flat network cable. So we'll see how that goes, cutting it and soldering it together. So yeah, let's see how this goes. Yeah, so that's the wires. They're super tiny. But yeah, let's get the cable stripper. Let's see what we can do here. Let's give us some wire to work with. It needs a bit of adjustment. The other way. So there we stripped it down. You can see that the wires are very tiny. But should be able to get it to work. See if we have some heat shrink that will fit. And I always forget to put the heat shrink on, so we're going to do it now. Slightly score those wires, and we should be able to pull this off with our fingers. Okay, so let's see if we can put this guy back together. Cut up some heat shrink. Pieces. Roughly the same length. Take this heat shrink. I'm melting in and out. Okay, let's try our big heat shrink again. Here we go. Multimeter. Cool. So that looks like it was successful. Cool guys, thanks for watching this video, my little experiment on the extending a network cable. These are cheap network cables I bought off Takealot.com, which is an online shopping store in South Africa. That's where I live, and yeah, we'll see if I was successful in extending them. These are Ugreen network cables. It's a Chinese make, relatively good but cheap, and this is a Cat6 Ethernet cable. I'll show you guys now. You can see there Cat6 Ethernet cable. So yeah, looks like it was successful. Guys, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll be making videos soon. Cheers.